Hello guys, welcome to Explore with Smile. In this video we are going to explore the interesting facts about the Great Wall of China. So come, let's explore with Smile. The Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure in the world, traversing northern part of the country. What was a huge military line of defense in the past has now become a unique World Heritage Site and a symbol of China. With a total length of 21,196.18 kilometers, that is 13,170.17 miles, equal to half the length of the equator. The Great Wall of China is the longest feat of human engineering. The average height of the wall is 6 to 7 meters, that is 20 to 23 feet, and the highest is 14 meters, that is 46 feet. The structure is not a single long line. In fact, there is not one wall, but the many walls in the plural. It's a defensive network consisting of many walls and forts built in different historical periods, with some segments scattering while some running parallel. In some places, the wall doubles and even triples itself. As must see in China, it attracts 50 million visitors every year and had been visited by more than 460 state heads and VIP from around the world. The Great Wall is about 2,700 years old. The most well-known of all of the legend of the Great Wall of China is the story of Men Jiangnu's bitter whipping. Yes, whose husband died building the wall. Her whipping was so bitter that the section of a wall collapsed, revealing her husband's bone so she could bury them. So guys, these are the interesting facts about the Great Wall of China. If you like the video, please click the like button and hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to explore with smile.